Hello, this show titled Optimane Health, the latest tips in the world of fitness and nutrition. Introduction. In this episode we will discuss a very relevant and exciting topic, namely how to optimize health through the latest tips in the world of fitness and nutrition. Health is a valuable asset, and by keeping up with the latest trends and discoveries, we can improve our overall quality of life. Let's travel this world together. Part 1. The combination of sports and sports nutrition. The combination of sports and sports nutrition is an important component for earning physical and mental health. By exercising regularly, our bodies will become stronger, our stamina will increase, and the risk of chronic diseases such as diabetes, heart disease, and obesity can be minimized. However, exercise alone is not enough to optimal health. A balanced combination of exercise and nutrition is the key to achieving the best results. The importance of a healthy and balanced diet cannot be underestimated. Our bodies need proper nutrition to maintain optimal health and function. The food we consume should include enough carbohydrates, proteins, fats, fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Carbs provide the energy needed by the body. Protein builds muscles and body tissues. Fat provides sustainable energy. Fiber boosts digestion, and vitamins as well as minerals help maintain overall healthy body functioning. In building a balance between exercise and nutrition, it is important to pay attention to meal times. Eating right before and after exercise can provide the nutrients needed to maintain energy and muscle recovery. Before exercising, pay attention to the carbohydrate intake like bread or oatmeal. After exercising, eat protein-rich foods like meat, eggs, or milk. Protein will help repair and build damaged muscles during exercise. It is also important to ensure that we consume nutritious food throughout the day. Planning a daily menu that includes all important food groups is a wise move. Fruits, grains, and low-fat dairy products in our diet. Avoid processed foods. Foods high in sugar and fatty foods that can disrupt the balance of nutrients and even reduce the benefits of the exercise we do. Drink water before, during, and after exercising to maintain adequate body fluid levels. Intensive exercise can lead to dehydration, and it can affect our physical performance as well as our overall health. Finally, it is important to understand that exercise and nutrition are a long-term process. It is not something to be pursued in just one day or a week. Consistency and patience in eating a routine of exercise and a balanced diet are key to achieving the desired results. In order to optimal health, there are no shortcuts. A combination of regular exercise with a healthy, balanced diet is a solid foundation for achieving that goal. Choosing sports that fit our interests and abilities, and eating a diet that contains all the nutrients our bodies need is the key to a healthy and fit life. So let's start pursuing a balance between exercise and nutrition to get the most benefits for our health. Part 2. The latest technology in the world of fitness. The newest technology has transformed the game in the fitness world. In the past, most people had to rely on a workout guide, group class, or personal instructor to their fitness goals. However, we now have access to a variety of fitness apps that can help us plan and track our workouts more effectively. One of the latest fitness apps that is widely used is MyFitnessPal. This app not only helps you track calories and macronutrients of your food, but can also record exercise and weight monitoring. You can set your daily calorie targets, and this app will let you know when you reach that limit. Besides, MyFitnessPal has a community feature that allows you to connect with other users who have the same type of fitness. Another important part of the latest technology in the fitness world is the activity tracker. Devices like a Fitbit or an Apple Watch allow you to track the number of steps you take, the heart rate, the calories you burn, and even the quality of your sleep. This data is then processed by the application connected to your device, so you can track your progress over time. In addition, some activity tracker devices also have integrated training features that provide personalized training based on your data. In addition to apps and tracking devices, there are also some other technological innovations that can help us our fitness goals. Examples are smart glasses that allow you to see your workout data in front of your eyes while you are exercising. It can help you follow your training plan without having to constantly look at your phone screen or smartwatch. The latest technology has also made it possible to have a virtual fitness class. With live streaming and on-demand video, you can follow a yoga, HIIT, or a Zumba class directly from the comfort of your home. This is very useful for those who are busy or cannot go to the gym regularly. You can choose the time that best suits your schedule and stay active. Of course, as with any technological innovation, there are also shortcomings that we need to consider. Sometimes we may be too dependent on technology, and losing human touch can provide the motivation and support needed to our fitness goals. Besides, the cost of a fitness device or application can also be an obstacle to some people. But overall, the latest technology has brought a positive change in the world of fitness. By leveraging the sophistication of technology, we can make exercise more effective, organized, and enjoyable. So if you want to reach your fitness goals, don't hesitate to try the latest fitness apps, take advantage of activity tracker devices, or even take virtual fitness classes. Part 3. Innovative recipes for a healthy lifestyle. Smoothie Energy Smoothie is a very popular beverage for a healthy lifestyle. Making your own smoothies is very easy and profitable because you can control the ingredients used. Here's a recipe for an energetic smoothie. Ingredients: 1 ripe banana, 1 cup of fresh spinach, 1 glass of frozen blueberry, 1 cup of natural yogurt, 1 tablespoon of honey, 1 water. How to make. 1. Blend the banana and cut it into several pieces. 2. Put all the ingredients into the blender, including banana, spinach, blueberry, yogurt, honey, and water. 3. Blend all ingredients until the smoothness and consistency is desired. 4. Pour into a glass and enjoy this energetic smoothie immediately. Low-calorie opening dish. If you are trying to maintain weight or live a healthy lifestyle but don't want to miss an opening meal at the restaurant, here are the recipes for low-calorie opening dishes. Ingredients: 1 strawberry thinly chopped, 1 carrot, small donuts cut, 1 red pepper, small pebbles cut, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, 1 cup of kale, small cup, 1 cup of frozen edamame, boil 2 olive oil, 2 teaspoons lime juice, salt and pepper to taste. How to make. 1. Prepare all the vegetables. Iris chopped carrots and peppers and small slices of kale. 2. Rebus edamame frozen according to the instructions on the package, then thicken. 3. Mix all vegetables and edamames in a large bowl. 4. Add olive oil, lemon juice, salt, and mercury. Mix smoothly. 5. Leave this opening dish in the fridge for 30 minutes so the ingredients can mix well. 6. This low-calorie open dish is ready to be served. These 2 recipes are examples of how healthy food can be tasty and easy to prepare. You can create these recipes with additional ingredients according to their respective preferences. It's important to remember that a healthy lifestyle doesn't have to be boring. By innovating in food recipes, we can make healthy food a top choice in our lifestyles. Part 4. Approaching fitness with a holistic approach. In an effort to a healthy and balanced life, it is not enough to just focus on physical fitness. True health involves aspects of mental and emotional balance that are often overlooked. Therefore, it is important to adopt a holistic approach to health that involves care for the body and mind as a whole. One of the best ways to approach holistic health is to incorporate yoga into your daily routine. Yoga is not just a form of physical exercise, but also mental and spiritual exercise. Through gentle movements and regular breathing, yoga helps to strengthen muscles, increase flexibility, and also calm the mind. By practicing yoga regularly, we can the perfect blend of body, mind, and soul. In addition, meditation is also an important part of a holistic approach to health. Meditation helps us relieve stress, increase concentration, and strengthen inner peace. By taking a few minutes each day to sit calmly and focus on breathing, we can reduce anxiety and improve overall well-being. In addition to practices like yoga and meditation, it is also important to maintain emotional balance through other practices such as art therapy, speech therapy, or self-expression through creative activities. Spending time doing things that we like and that make us feel happy can help reduce stress and improve mood. Overall, approaching fitness with a holistic approach is about prioritizing the balance between body, mind, and emotion. By combining yoga, meditation, and other practices that advance holistic health, we can a healthy, balanced life. Don't let health be confined to physical fitness, but pay attention to mental and emotional balance as well. Remember that true health involves comprehensive care of all aspects of our lives. Part 5. The latest products for a healthy lifestyle. The latest supplements have become a trend in the world of health and fitness. Many people are looking for ways to improve their nutrition and improve overall health. Here are some of the latest supplement recommendations that can help your health goals. First of all, there are probiotic supplements. Probiotics are good bacteria that live in our digestive tract. They can help improve the health of our digestion, boost our immune system, and increase the absorption of nutrients in our bodies. The latest probiotics products not only contain good bacteria, but also contain probiotics that can help both bacteria survive and reproduce in our gastrointestinal tract. Besides, there are also the latest vitamin and mineral supplements that are specifically designed to meet the needs of our bodies. For example, there is vitamin that is essential for bone health and improves calcium absorption in the body. There are also minerals such as magnesium that can help reduce stress, improve sleep quality, and support muscle and nerve health. In addition to supplements, there are also advanced exercise tools that can help us optimal fitness. For example, there is an activity tracker that can monitor the number of steps you take, the amount of calories you burn, and the quality of your sleep. This tool can also provide reminders to move and motivate you to stay active throughout the day. Not only that, but there's also a heart rate tracker that can help you track your heart rate during exercise. It's important to make sure you're in the right exercise zone to optimal results. Some tools are even equipped with virtual training features that guide you through the training and provide real-time feedback. Then, there's also the latest healthy kitchen equipment that can help you cook healthy foods easily. For example, there are smart blenders that can make healthy smoothies with just a few touch of buttons. They also come with sensors that can detect the ingredients used and give the right nutritional recommendations. Besides, there are also air frying devices that can cook food using little or no oil at all. It is a healthy solution to fry your favorite food without excessive fat and calories. It also comes with a variety of functions such as frying that you can customize to suit your needs. In this evolving world, having the latest products for a healthy lifestyle can help us our health goals more easily and effectively. Regardless of whether you're looking for the latest supplements, advanced fitness tools, or healthy kitchen equipment, be sure to do research and consult with a health professional before making a decision. Remember that everyone has different health needs, so it is important to tailor these products to your own needs and goals. Conclusion: friends of health, we have explored the health world through the latest tips in the world of fitness and nutrition. By combining sports, nutrition, technology, innovative recipes, and a holistic approach, we can optimal health. Don't forget to subscribe and share this video with your friends so that together we can a healthier lifestyle. Thank you for joining, and see you in the next episode.